Our next respected speaker is Honourable Foday Rado UK, who is serving as the Minister of Mines and Mineral Resources for the Republic of Sierra Leone. He's a very good friend of the community, and I invite him to the stage to read a message from the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Salamu alaikum. My president was very keen and enthusiastic to come to this gracious occasion, but unfortunately he could not make it. He rather selected me as a very close friend of Ahmadiyya, having taught at Ahmadiyya Muslim Secondary School in Freetown, again to Ahmadiyya Muslim Secondary School in Bo, and a very close ally of the Ahmadiyya. My entire family attended the Ahmadiyya Muslim Secondary School in Bo under the then principalship of B.A. Akhtar, whom after 20 years I was opportune to meet today. On behalf of the people of Sierra Leone, the President and his government sent his warmest greetings to the Ahmadiyya community and His Holiness. I read, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. I extend fraternal greetings and salutations from the government and people of Sierra Leone to His Holiness and the Ahmadiyya community as whole. We want to express our profound appreciations and congratulate His Holiness for his tireless effort invested towards establishing peace and brotherhood in the world. His World Peace Symposium since 2003, the inspirational book, The Path to Peace, the Conference of World Religion, Pan-African Forum, and the endless message of peace and interreligious harmony broadcast on your radio and television stations are commendable. Sierra Leone and the world recognize and commend your great effort in spiritual, moral training, building of mosques, missionary training colleges, schools, vocational institutions, hospitals, and clinics. Your partnership with our government and other worldwide in poverty alleviation schemes and other socio-economic activities are also commendable. Your hygienic water well, solar energy installations, agricultural products, and other relief and humanitarian services better propagate your inspiring slogan of love for all and hatred for none in our country, Sierra Leone. It is against this backdrop that the people of Sierra Leone has appreciated the Ahmadiyya community and the mission for what they are doing, and we are requesting that you continue and multiply your support to the mission in Sierra Leone and to the people of Sierra Leone. Assalamu alaikum.